Baby, you know as a comedian, right?
Yeah.
And remember what you got a performance to show you so and well. I leave them today, I don't pack me a suitcase and thing and I'm gonna be away from you for 5 days.
So wait. Now you telling me this? That you got a comedy show, go in Sondheim for 5 days, and you know I don't like when you stay for me. Eh?
But I tell you it already before, man.
But it's not don't get me. I do. Now you're telling me this. You're supposed to be this day going. Now you telling me? Man.
Man, well, alright then, man. Listen me now, right? Listen me. Alright, good. Going away for 5 days and you gotta let her go. So, man, you don't trust me?
I gotta let you go? Eh? Alright. It's a 5 days, right? Don't let go more than 5 days. Just 5 days. Anytime you just know, if I gotta come there, I'm dragging you. Alright.
Yeah, it's just 5 days. It's just 5 days. You ain't gotta come and drag me or nothing. By the time you watch it, the time gonna fly out. Just 5 days.
Oh. Alright. I trust you. But I guess I'm forgive you.
Alright, love. Time is running. I have to go now.
Wait.
What you giving me this for now, man?
You're not cheating. I know you don't cheat, right? But I'm just giving you this.
But you know I love you, you know I won't cheat on you.
And you said, just take it. I know you love me and everything, but you still gotta take it. I ain't saying you're gonna cheat. No temptation. He's a big man. And women, they come in your ears. Right? So take it. Temptation. Take it.
It's only because you are collecting this, you know.
Wait. Don't be selfish.
Selfish with one now.
You think you alone can be tempted?
You could be tempted to you ain't going nowhere.
Temptation's a big man. You don't know.
A few moments later.
Love, I just get a call saying that the video will be no more. So none of us won't be tempted. The show is off.
What? I thought you said we won't be tempted.